Okay, hi everyone! As you can see from the thumbnail, we literally got the razor stuck in like a 5 feet deep ditch in Parker and had to dig our way out. Before anyone says anything, we just found out you should be wearing a helmet when you're on the razor. I am concussion prone apparently. In the last 3 months, I've gotten 2 concussions, one from hitting my head on the roof of my van, and then another just last weekend, knocking myself out snowboarding. So we take head injuries very seriously in this family. We just literally didn't know because we are new to the dirt bike life. So yeah, this is the video of how we got our razor stuck in a ditch and how we got it out. You look sick, low-key.
Sick?
Yeah.
Like ill?
Good.
Oh, I thought you meant like sick as in like COVID.
Today we're on the California side of the Colorado River.
Photo shoot?
We saw a little kid drive by on his dirt bike with a Confederate flag on it, and we're literally in California.
Looks like we got some good terrain out here. See Robert E. Lee over there on his dirt bike.
Yeah, fucking Iron Man out here.
Aw, what? Don't stall out in the creek. I hope you just come back to it, you know?
We are on a massive loop to somewhere.
The res, man. The reservoir.
The res.
Not the reservation. Not the reservation.
And the sun's kind of setting, but that's okay.
Mojave Desert.
Mojave? Is it Mojave or is
Yeah.
it Samoan?
Is it? I don't see any cacti.
He's right. Oh my god!
Fuck. That's not good.
So we're stuck. Oh my god. Literally.
I gotta lift it. I think it's to take all 3 of you though. Give me like a foot, and I got enough loose material. I got you.
Wait, this has to go, you guys. We can't leave this out here. No, it's scraping up the plastic. Okay. Not my AF. Trust me, that has to go. The sun is setting. Who are we eating first?
When I said, oh, start filling it in. At least we're topped off on fuel. You ready? Everything's almost stuck now. So.
Yeehaw!
Alright, wait though. You wanted to fill it in and try to back it out. What I had in mind was fill this bitch in.
The civil engineers are fighting. What is the tea? So we made it out, but it's very dark. Filled this whole fucking trench in.
I've been in worse situations before. I ain't even worried.
I think he's lying. Kind of in trouble because we have no idea where we're going. We're in the desert, alone. You can see how dirty my hair is. We've been riding for... How many hours have we been riding? Like 6. This is pretty much how it goes. Just kind of send it. Okay, we took a break to look at the stars.
Getting it done, baby. Training for the Baja 1000.
Trevor, what do you think? that was enough excitement for the rest of the year.
I think the 4-point harness really saved us.
Yeah. To our cars.
I could eat some burnt rubber right now. Shit.
That's kind of gross. That was a nightmare. I never want to do that again. So we didn't even fuck up the paint job, so that's cool.
Paint job.
That is so gross. Yeah, Kai needs body wash and shampoo. Alright, well, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. I don't think I ever will be being that reckless again in a razor, because it was a bitch to dig it out of a ditch. A bitch to dig it out of a ditch. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa. I don't know the other winter holidays, so just happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, I do fun shit like every weekend, so